Hello, friends. How are you all? It's very nice to be with all of you all. This week, a couple of days back, we got a sad news that the legendary singer Subramaniam has passed away. Now, I have an emotional connect with Subramaniam. First part of the connect is that when I was in the school, there was a movie that has been released by the name of Ek Duje Ke Liye, where the hero was from Tamil Nadu, South India, and the heroine was from Punjab, North India. And there was that beautiful song that was on the lips of everybody, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना. And years later, when I came into the profession, in one of the resorts where I was working, we had a New Year Eve. We were celebrating that, and with a lot of guests around. Subramaniam was singing on the stage, and one of the songs was the same. तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना. And he was asked to sing the song repeatedly again and again and again and again. The idea came from this. It's basically a tribute to the legendary singer Subramaniam. And of course, my connect with South India, my schooling at Ooty, Lovedale, then my MBA at Madurai, my first job at Chennai, my second job at Ooty, the third job at Madurai, and then a little bit of research at Annamalai University. So the South Indian connect. So the North Indian, South Indian fusion comes, as I said earlier also once, it comes very easy to me, natural to me. So friends, today my own recipe, where I have taken two things from North India, that is from Punjab, and very well known food items, Amritsari papad and Amritsari vadi, with the South Indian mint or pudina chutney, that is typically South Indian chutney. So I am going to use both of these to create a dish. This particular snack that we are going to make, friends, is again totally organic and totally healthy. Nothing artificial has been used in that. All the ingredients are fresh from the garden, and there is no factory made item. So let's not waste any time, and
तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना. डोर खींचे दूजा दौड़ा चला है, एक डोर खींचे दूजा दौड़ा चला है, कच्चे धागे में बंधा चला है, ऐसे जैसे कोई ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना, मैंने नहीं जाना, तू भी नहीं जानी, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना। नींद न आए मुझे, चैन न आए, नींद न आए मुझे, चैन न आए, लाख जतन कर रोका न जाए, सपनों में तेरा, ओ सपनों में तेरा आना जाना, मैंने नहीं जाना, मैंने नहीं जाना, तेरे मेरे बीच में।
So friends, let's dip the cheese slice in the batter and then into our mix of Amritsari vadi and Amritsari papad. That is super spicy, and the chutney itself is super spicy and coated well. We keep it aside to rest so that the batter gets absorbed and the papad and the vadi mix sticks on firmly to the cheese. In the meantime, again with the next piece, after the chutney has been coated well, again a dip into the batter and then again coat the cheese well with vadi and papad, and again once done, set it aside for some time so that the batter gets absorbed. Now look at this, even here paneer, if you see the chutney, the tamarind pulp, the lemon juice and the water has actually been absorbed. It's gone dry, it has been absorbed. That is why it was marinated and set aside for about 30 minutes. This was the reason. And these three of them, have been absorbed by the cheese slices. So again, coat the chutney well on these slices, and again in the batter, and then again in the mix of vadi and papad, and set aside for few minutes, for about 5 or 10 minutes before we actually start to fry them. The reason is, let the juices be absorbed. Now let the batter be absorbed, and then the vadi and the papad sticks firmly. Now in the meantime, the oil is hot. I'm using mustard oil, by the way, and I've dropped in the test pilot. Remember, I always make a test pilot to check is the oil hot enough or not. So there it is. Once it starts sputtering, that means the oil is hot enough, and that is the time we again wait and remove the test pilot from the oil. Now it is absolutely right temperature, and we can drop in the cheese slices. There we are. Now, as I have explained many a times, that the oil should be such that around 3/4 to 2/3 of your item to be fried must be in the oil, and 1/4 should be above. The reason is, and you should flip it often so that what happens is the outside becomes very hot and the heat is not able to penetrate inside, right till inside of the snack, and thereby the inside of your dish is going to remain raw. It is not going to get cooked properly. There we are. Now look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? Right temperature, right color, and crispy, spicy, tempting. Yes. So there we are. See, not at all oily also. That is the main thing. Look at this. The oil is absolutely clear. Now I'm going to place all the 4 slices into this oil, and I'm going to fry all 4 of them together. Remember, I can still add more slices, but I'm not going to do that, because whenever you are frying, never overcrowd your skillet or pan, because then number one, your food is going to stick to each other, they'll get spoiled, and the oil also will get spoiled, and because of too many pieces, the temperature required is really hot, and it is going to not cook properly, and the inside is going to be raw. So that is why never add too many pieces at the same time. And again, as I told you, 1/4 to 1/3 of the piece should be out. Look at this. Now this allows the heat to penetrate inside. For example, the outside of this top surface was very hot, so now the heat is going right inside, and again from the bottom and the sides the heat is actually coming inside. So this is the reason why frying should be done in such a manner. If you remember, halwais take it, if they are frying in a skillet or a kadai, they always take out the pieces for a few seconds and then again put them back, and if you ask them, they'll always say, "Ji, hawa lagwa rahe hain." This is the reason why that hawa lagwate hain halwai. Okay, so this, now instead of going for the hawa, what I have done is I have placed oil in such a quantity that the pieces are 1/4 to 1/3 above the oil. So there we are. A few flips to ensure that all the pieces are cooked evenly from both the sides and from all the 4 sides as well. So there we are, that's done. Let's remove them and I'll just show it to you. Look at this. Now 2 things you have to notice. 1, look at the color, all the same, none of them over fried, all the same, very well fried and not at all oily. Number 1. Number 2, look at the oil. Absolutely clear, no carbon in it, and absolutely okay. So that is the secret of frying. Well friends, there we are. Totally oilless, healthy, organic starter, north, south.
So friends, how did you like the fusion? तेरे मेरे बीच में, बंधन अंजाना, north south. Nice, isn't it? Okay, so friends, definitely try it, and do tell me and do tell everybody in the comment box as to how you all liked it. And as usual, please do share with your enemies and foes, of course, with your friends, known and nears and dears. And till the time we meet again with another healthy, organic recipe, it's thanks and bye from Chef Raj. Have a nice time. Cook healthy, eat healthy, and live healthy.